Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Gordon Mews in Manchester. We have here a luxurious and spacious 5-bedroom home boasting 3 full bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, and all the amenities you could desire. It sits on a quarter-acre lot, from the water heater and pump to the 13 feet concrete water tank, generator, and storage room. This property has everything you need for comfortable living. The windows are grilled and mesh for added security, and there are 2 fully equipped kitchen, a family room, TV room, formal dining room, and a kitchen diner. The foyer, washroom, bonus room, garage, rooftop terrace, and entertainment area provide ample space for both relaxation and entertaining. The manicured lawns and pine ceiling in the kitchen, dining, and family areas add to the charm of this beautiful home. With a security system and electric gate for peace of mind, Gordon Mews is the perfect place to call home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £205,000 or Jamaican $41.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.